Hi, good morning students. Welcome to online class. In our last class, we completed the exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, we learn how to find the face value and place value and then how to write the exponent form. Isn't it, Noma? Now, in this class, we are going to see about the ascending order and descending order. Okay, va? First of all, what is meant by ascending order, ma? Ascending order means nothing. Ascending order is arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, va? Small to big. We want to arrange the numbers small to big. Okay, va? And then what about the descending order? Descending order is just opposite to ascending order. Okay, va? So this is small to big means what about the descending order? Very good. Big to small. Now we want to arranging the number from biggest to smallest. Okay, Vama. Here giving an example for ascending order. Okay. They are giving 4 numbers, ma. We want to arrange the numbers in ascending order. That means smallest numbers to biggest number. Okay, va? Okay, ma. I am now here writing the question ascending order. Okay, va? Now we want to write in ascending order, small to big. What is the first procedure means? First we want to compare the digits. Okay, va? Now here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also what? 4 digits having. Here how many digits, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits having. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. First we want to compare the digits, ma. All the numbers having the same number of digits. Then after we want to compare the thousands place. 4 digit means ones, tens, 100, 1000. So first we want to compare the digits in thousand place. Okay, va? Look at the digit, ma. 4, 4, 4, 4. Suppose the numbers in thousand place, all the one having the same digits means next we want to compare the digit in what, ma? Very good. 100 place. 1000 after 100. Okay. Now we want to compare the digits in 100 place. Okay, ma? What are the numbers having, ma? Now this is the number, ma. Look at the first. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Isn't it? No, this 4 numbers only I am writing one by one. Okay, va? Now look at the 1000 place. All the number of same. Okay, now look at the 100 place. 2, 8, 9, 7. Now ascending order means smallest to biggest. Now which is the smallest number? 2, 8, 9, 7. Which is the smallest number, ma? Very good. 2, va? So this is the first number. Right answer here, ascending order, 4278. Okay, Vama. Now put the comma. Next strike out this number, ma. Okay. Next this because we write it so strike out this. Now 8, 9, 7. Okay, first digits are same, so leave it. Next 8, 9, 7. Which is the smallest number, ma? Very good. 8, 9, 7. In this 7 is the smallest number. So this is the second smallest number. Right. 4717. 4717, comma. We write it so strike out this. Next 8, 9. Which is the smallest number? Very good. 8. So this is the third smallest number. Okay, va? So write 4875, comma. Then remaining only one number only having, so this is the last number. Okay, wow. So 4923. This is the ascending order for this number. Okay, Mama, understood? Next, I am going to the exercise. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Same like that we do here, ma. Okay. First, we want a sum. First, we want to compare the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. So, all the numbers in 4 digits only. Okay, va? Then after, first we want to compare the digits in 1000 place. Okay, va? So, underline the digits in 1000 place, ma. First ascending order means small to bigger. 7, 9, 7, 5, 8. Which is the smallest number, ma? Just look at the first digit, ma. Okay. 7, 9, 7, 5, 8. Which is the smallest number? Very good. 5, So, I am writing this first. 5436, comma. So, strike out the number. If you write means strike out it. Okay. Then after 7, 9, 7, 8. Which is the smallest number? Very good. 7. So, I am putting 7 first. But in this, there are having two numbers starting with 7. Isn't it? No. What are they? 7631. Next 7634. Look at this number. 2 numbers, ma. Now we want to find out which number is smallest. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. A digit in thousands place, same. So leave it. Next, a digit in 100 place also 6, same. So leave it. Next, a digit in tens place also same. So this also leave it. Then look at the ones place, ma. 1, 4. Which is the smallest number, ma? Very good. 1. So I am writing this number 7631, comma. Then after which is the smallest number? 7634. 7634, comma. Okay, this 2 number we write it as, so strike out it. Next, only 2 numbers are having, ma. 9, 8. In this 2 number, which is the smallest number? 8. Very good. So, I am writing the number 8918, comma. Then remaining only 1 number only having, ma. So, I am writing the last number 9987. That's all. So, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers having. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers we write it. That's all. Okay, va? Same like that. B sum. First, look at the digits, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. All the numbers are also 4 digits number. So, then after, first want to look at the digit in 1000 place. That means first digit. Look at the first digit, ma. 4, 3, 3, 2, 3. Which is the smallest number? Very good. 2. So, write the number, ma. 2473, comma. Strike out. Next, ma. 4, 3, 3, 3. Which is the smallest number? 4 or 3? Very good. 3. But here there are 3 numbers are there. Starting with 3, there are 3 numbers having, ma. First write the 3 numbers here down. 3096, 3099, 3172. First put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now look at the digit in 1000 place. All the digits are same. So leave it. Next 100 place. 0, 0, 1. Which is the smallest number, 0 or 1? Very good, 0. But here there are having 2 zeros. 0 is only smallest number. So, but they are having 2 zeros. So, now look at the tens place. 9, 9. Tens place also same. So, strike out. Then look at the ones place. 6, 9. Which is the smallest number? 6. Okay, now write this number. 3096, comma. Then after which is the next smallest number? 9. So 3099, comma. Then after which is the smallest number? 3172, comma. Now 3 digits also we write it, ma. Then what is the remaining number? Very good. Only one remaining numbers are there. So this is the last smallest number. That's all. Now this is the C sum. Okay, Vama. First look at the digit. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. All the numbers are 4 digits only. Okay. Then after we want to compare the digit in thousand place. Okay, va? 5, 5, 4, 9, 9. Which is the smallest number, ma? 5, 4, 9. Very good. 4. So write it. Ascending order equal to 4325. Strike out. Then 5, 5, 9, 9. Which is the smallest number, ma? Very good. 5. But they are having 2 numbers starting with 5. So I am writing the side 5201 5607. Suppose உங்களுக்கு கொஷினில் 2 நம்பர் இப்போ 55னு 2 நம்பர் ஆரம்பிக்குதா, அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்கள் சைடில் எழுதிக்காங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? அண்ட் தென் புட் ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், 100, 1000. ஓகேவா? In this 2 number, which is the smallest number, ma? 5, same number, so leave it. Next, look at the 100 place. 2, 6, which is the smallest number? 2. So, what is the next smallest number? 5201. And then 5627. Next, 9, 9. They are having 2 numbers starting with 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9801. In this 2 number, which is the smallest number, ma? First look at the 1000 place. 9, 9 same. So leave it. Then 100 place. 9, 8. Which is the smallest number? 8. So write this number. 9801. Okay. Then only one remaining number having so write the number last. 9999. So this is the answer. Okay. Write the answer in book. Okay, ma, this like write the number in your book. Okay, that's all. Are you understand the ascending order, ma? Okay. Now we are going to see about the descending order. Okay, va? Descending order means just opposite to ascending order. That means big to small. Okay, va? They are giving one example, ma. Okay, now descending order. Descending order means very good. Big to small. First we want to write the biggest number. Okay, va? Follow the same procedure, ma. How many digits are there? 4. Here also 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. All the numbers are in 4 digits only. Okay, va? Then after compare the digit in thousand place. 5, 6, 4, 5, 4. 5, 6, 4, 5, 4. Which is the biggest number, ma? Very good. 6. So write the number. 6200. 271. This is the first biggest number. Then after 5, 4, 5, 4. Which is the biggest number? 5 or 4? 5. Isn't it? No. So, இப்போ பாருங்கள் 5லேயே 2 நம்பர் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. இங்கே ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்குது. ஸோ ரைட் த நம்பர் இன்சைட். தனியாக எழுதிக்கோங்க அந்த நம்பரை. ஸோ 5234. நெக்ஸ்ட் 5172. ஓகேவா? நவ் ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், 100, 1000. In this 2 number, which is the biggest number ma? First to compare the 1000 place, 5 5 same ah. 1000 place compare பண்ணனும். 5 5 same ah இருக்கா? So leave it. Then after look at the 100 place, 2 1, which is the biggest number, because this is a descending order, no? So which is the biggest number? 2. Very good. So 5234, comma. Then after which is the biggest number? This ஒரு நம்பர் எழுதி, இப்போ 2 நம்பர் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோன்னா அதிலிருந்து நம்ம ஒரு நம்பர் எழுதிட்டோம். அப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த அடுத்த நம்பரையும் எழுதிடணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 5172. Then remaining only 2 numbers having ma, but the 2 numbers also starting with 4 4. Same like that, write the side. 4234, 4871. In this 2 number, which is the biggest number ma? First 1000 place, 4 4 samely having, so leave it. 2 8. In this 2 number, which is the biggest number? 2 or 8 ah? Very good, 8 ah? So write the number. 4871, comma. Then only remaining only one number having a, so write the number last. 4234. So this is the descending order for this numbers. Okay mama. So now check the answer. Correctly having a? Okay. Now we are going to exercise sums, ascending order, A sum. Okay, this is the first descending order sum. Okay va? What is the first step? Count the digit, isn't it? No. Here how many digits ma? 1 2 3 4. So 4 digits having, 4D. Here how many digit? 1 2 3 4. So here also 4 digits having. Here 1 2 3, 3 digits. Next here 4 digit. This number also 4 digit. Okay. Now இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த சம்ஸ்லாம் எல்லா நம்பருமே என்னது ஒரே சேம் டிஜிட்ஸாக இருந்தது இல்லையா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு இங்கே பாருங்கள், ஃபஸ்ட் டைமே என்னது ஒரு சம்மில் 3 டிஜிட்டும் இருக்குது, 2 டிஜிட்டும் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? Now this is a descending order, isn't it? No. So descending order means biggest number. 4 digits are 3 digits are, which is the biggest number? 4 digits. So அப்போ 4 டிஜிட்ஸ்லாம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு எழுதிட்டு கடைசியாக தான் என்ன எழுதுவோம்? 3 டிஜிட் நம்பர் எழுதுவோமா? ஸோ நம்ம 3 டிஜிட் நம்பரை ஃபஸ்ட்டு கடைசியாக போட்டுக்கலாம். இந்த நம்பர் தான் லாஸ்ட்டு நம்பர். சரிங்களா? ஏன்னா டிசைனிங் ஆர்டர்னால் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் தான் எழுதுவோம். சரி, அப்போ 4 டிஜிட்ஸ் எல்லாம் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வரும், 3 டிஜிட் லாஸ்ட்டாக தான் வரும். ஸோ முன்னாடியே நான் எழுதிட்டேன். ஓகேவாம்மா? அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டா? நவ் this number we already write it, so strike out it. Now we want to compare the 1000 place. 3 3 3 6. Which is the biggest number? Very good, 6 ah? So write the number ma. 6544, comma. Strike out this. Okay va? Then remaining 1 2 3. 3 numbers having, 3 numbers also starting with 3, isn't it? No. 3 நம்பர் தான். இப்போ இது தான் 3 6 6 தான் பெரிய நம்பர். அப்போ நான் இது ஃபஸ்ட்டு எழுதிட்டு இதை ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டேன், ஏன்னா கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக. இன்னும் 3 நம்பர் இருக்குது. 3 நம்பருமே என்னது ஸ்டார்டிங் வித் 3. ஸோ ரைட் த நம்பர் அண்ட் சைட்மா. 3435 3670, 3267. Okay, va? And then put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now look at the digit in 1000 place. All the number are 333. So leave it. Now look at the 100 place. 462. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 6. So write the number. 3670, comma. Next is 42. Which is the biggest number? 4. Very good. So 3435, comma. Now remaining only one number having this number also write it. This number also we write it. Only one remaining number having. So this is the next number, 4267. Okay, va? This is the answer, ma. Okay, now write the answer in book, ma. A answer. First number 6544. Okay. What is the next number? 3670, comma, 3435, comma, 3267, comma, 139. Okay, va? Next B sum. Same like that, ma. Same like that. First look at the digits, ma. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. Here 3 digit number. So in descending order, 3 digit number want to write last. So 236. Okay, va? Same like that before sum. Okay, va? Then after, look at the 1000 place. 2, 3, 2, 9. Which is the biggest number, ma? Very good. Exactly what? 9. So, this is the first biggest number. 9801. 9801. So, strike out this. Next, 2, 3, 2. Which is the biggest number, ma? Very good. 3 is the biggest number. So write the number 3605. Strike out it. Okay, well, first 9 is the biggest number. Next 3 is the biggest number. Okay, then after only 2 remaining numbers are there. Both also start with 2, 2. Okay, wow. So write the number inside. 2785, 2782. Okay, same like that. Put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, Mama. First look at the 1000 place. 2, 2. Both are same, so leave it. Then 1000 after. Now we want to compare the 100 place. 7, 7. This also what? Same number. So strike out. Next, A. Compare the digits in tens place. 8, 8. This also what? Same number. So leave it. Next, finally look at the ones place, ma. 5, 2. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 5. So this is the next biggest number. 2785. Then all the numbers are, we write it. Okay. Still one numbers are remaining. Isn't it? No. So this is the next number. 2782. So all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 numbers having. In answer also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all, ma. Okay, well, write the answer in your book, ma. Okay, this like write the answer in your book. Next to C sum. Okay, now this is the C sum, ma. Okay, first look at the digits, ma. 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. All the numbers are 4 digit number. Okay, va. Then we want to compare the digit in thousand place. 6, 6, 6, 7, 8. Which is the biggest number, ma? Very good. 8 is the biggest number, ah? So write the first number 8979, comma. Then 6667. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 7. So 7801, comma. Then 666. 3 numbers having 3 numbers also starting with 6. So one by one write the number inside. Okay, wow. 6998. Next is 6987. Next is 6898. And then put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, wow. Now in this 3 number, which is the biggest number, ma? First look at the 1000 place. 666. All the numbers are same, so leave it. Then 1000 after 100. Now we want to compare the 100 place. 998. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 9. But here also 2 9 having a. So leave it. Then look at there. Now we want to compare this 2 number only. Okay, va? Now 8 9. 8 9. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 9. So this is the next biggest number. 6998. 98. Strike out. Next remaining 2 numbers having ama. Then இப்போது நம்ம 2 நம்பரை கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டோம். அதிலிருந்து ஒரு நம்பர் எழுதிட்டோம். ஸோ இந்த நம்பருக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும்? இன்னொரு நம்பர் இருக்கும் இல்லையா நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணதுலையே, அந்த நம்பர் தான் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 9 after 8 is the biggest number. So write the number this. 6987. ஓகேவா? So strike out this number. This number write it, so leave it. Remaining only one number having a, so this is the last number, 6898. So here also 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. All the numbers we write it. Okay, mama. Now write the answer in your book. Okay, this like write the answer in your book. Next, third question. Arrange the milestone given below in both the order. Both the order means ascending order and descending order. Both the order also we want to write the answer. Here giving the kilometers, isn't it? No. First time writing ascending order. Okay, pa. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Okay, pa. Now 495 0 2650 1680 1420. First ascending order means first look at the digits. Here 3 digit 0. Okay, 4 digit 4 digit 4 digit. So which is the smallest number in this all? 0. Okay, so first I am writing 0, comma. Next 3 digit 4 digit, which is the smallest number? Very good. 3 is the smallest number. So 3 digit number. Write the 3 digit number 495, comma. Then this 2 number we write it. Then remaining 3 numbers having. What are they, ma? 2650, 1680, next 1420. Okay, va? Put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now look at the 1000 place. 2 1 1. Which is the smallest number? 1, isn't it? So 1 they are having 2 numbers. So then after look at the 100 place. 6 4. Which is the smallest number? 4. Very good. 4. So 1420, comma. Then இப்போ நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை மட்டும்தான் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம். ஏன்னா இதுதான் என்னது 1ல் ஆரம்பிக்குது. ஸோ 1 சேமாக இருக்கிறதுனால 100 பிளேஸை கம்பேர் பண்ணோம். 6 4ல் 4 இஸ் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர். இப்போது இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு நம்பர் எழுதிட்டோம்னா தென் ஆஃப்டர் we want to write the next number. So 1680. Okay va? Then remaining only one numbers are there va? So this is the last number 2650. Okay, this is the ascending order. Now descending order means, yes, the reverse of ascending order is descending order. That means we want to write the reverse order of ascending means we get the descending order. Okay வாமா, இப்போ ascending order எழுதிட்டோம். இதிலிருந்தே descending order வேணும்னா just like that we want to write back to front. What is the last number? 2650, comma, next 1680, comma, next 1420, comma, next 495, comma, 0. Okay வாமா. Then one activity giving ma, take the next page. Starting point, destination, approximate distance in kilometer. Okay va? Now starting point all Chennai. Okay va? Now Chennai to Pondicherry, how many kilometers ma? Approximately they are giving 132 kilometers. Okay va? Now Chennai to Hyderabad, how many kilometers? Approximately they are giving 511. Okay, then Chennai to Kolkata they are giving 1363 kilometers. This is all the one approximate ma. Okay va? Then approximate அப்படினா தோராயமான்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, not exact distance ma. They are guessing the distance and then write. Okay va? Just guess பண்ணி எழுதிருக்காங்க. Next Chennai to Delhi. Chennai to Delhi, how approximate distance is 1757. Next Chennai to Mumbai 1025 kilometer. Chennai to Guwahati 1891. Okay va? Now below they are asking 5 questions. Arrange the places in ascending order. Okay va? According to the distance. Now we want to write the number in ascending order. Okay va? Okay, now we want to write ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Now look at this number ma. First compare the digit. 3 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. So 3 digit or 4 digit. Which is the smallest number? Very good, 3 digit. So they are having 2 3 digit number. 2 numbers they are having ma. In this 2 number, which is the smallest number? Look at the first digit 1 5. Which is the smallest number ma? Very good. 1 is the smallest number. So 132 is the first smallest number. Okay va? இப்போ 132க்கு என்ன distance கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? Okay va? So write the answer 132, comma. Next, suppose we are comparing the two number means we already write the one number, then we want to write the another number. So this is the second smallest number 511, comma. Then we want to compare this 4 numbers. First compare the first digit 1 1 1 1. All the numbers are same. Then 1000 place all the ones same. Now we want to compare the 100 place. 3 7 0 8. Which is the smallest number? Very good, 0. So write this number 1025, comma. Next, look at the remaining numbers 3 7 8. Now which is the smallest number? 3. Okay va? So this is the fourth number. So 1363, comma. Now 7 8. In this 2 number, which is the smallest number? 7. So 1757, comma. This is the fifth smallest number. Then only one remaining number. So write the number last. 1891. So this is the ascending order. Okay, va? Now arrange the place in descending order according to the distance. Now descending order. I already said that descending order is just reverse of ascending order. Isn't it? No. So நம்ம இப்போ ஆல்ரெடி அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் எழுதிட்டோம். ஸோ இதையவே அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸில் எழுதலாமா? ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த லாஸ்ட் நம்பர்? 1891, 1757, 1363, 1025, 511, 132. Okay, Vama. Now choose the place which is shorter in distance. Shorter means what? Smallest number. Okay, va? Shorter in distance from Chennai. Mumbai, how many distance, ma? 1025. So write the number. Next, Guwahati, 1891. Next, Hyderabad, 511. ஓகே, இன் திஸ் 3 நம்பர். இப்போது நம்ம எல்லாத்துலேயும் கேட்கல, இந்த 3ல் எது ஷார்ட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நவ் விச் ஷார்ட்டர் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மாலா? இன் திஸ் 3 நம்பர் விச் இஸ் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர்? வெரி குட். 4 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit. 3 digit is the smallest number. So Hyderabad is the answer. Understand? Okay, ma. Choose the place longer. Longer means what? Very good. Now we want to find the biggest number. Kolkata, how many distance, ma? 1363. Now Mumbai, 1025. Pondicherry, 132. Now in this 3 number, which is the biggest number? So 4 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit. So 4 digits. 4 digit or 3 digit, which is the biggest number? 4 digit. So there are 2 4-digit numbers are there. Look at the first number 1 1. Samely having a. Now look at the second digit 3 0, which is the biggest number? 3. 3 is the biggest number. So Kolkata is the answer. Okay, the place in the shortest distance from Chennai. Longest distance from Chennai. Longest means biggest number. Okay, va? Now which is அதாவது சென்னையிலேருந்து எது ரொம்ப தூரத்தில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ லாங்கஸ்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர். விச் இஸ் அ பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர், மா? வெரி குட். 1891. ஸோ விச் பிளேஸ் தட் ஒன்? Guwahati. ஸோ ரைட் த ஆன்சர் ஹியர். Okay, that's all, ma. Up to this, today class are over. Okay, today class was over, ma. Your homework is complete the exercise 2.4. Okay, first do in your max note, then after write the final answer. First work out பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு final answer என்ன பண்ணணும்? நீங்கள் புக்கில் இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிக்கங்க. சரிங்களா? Next activity in page number 28. This is your homework. Okay, Vama? Thank you.